Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this Sweetie Fox filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. To get this effect, what you can do, just go to your effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section. What you can do, tap on the search button and search for Sweetie Fox. Okay, the second one with 272 videos, that one. Okay, you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for Sweetie Fox filter. Okay, here you will see many videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there. Just tap on it. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, just visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it. You got the filter. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.